Hello everyone, this is my honest review of the JOOLA Professional Indoor Ping Pong Table. I absolutely love this table. I used cheap tables for years, finally decided to splurge, and I am so happy that I did. The construction, durability, quality, everything about this speaks premium brand material. Nothing about this is cheap whatsoever. There's a lot of reasons why I like this as well. I love the fact it's actually two separate pieces. So as you can see, you've got one piece right here, which is actually laid down, and then you got the second piece right here, which I currently have in the up position. The benefit to that is that I can play myself right now. This is how I play a lot, just because no one in my family plays other than me. So I have the capability to practice just using the second piece in the upright position. And then when friends come over, we can lay it out, actually extend the table, install the net that comes with it, and then we're good to go. Also, if I want to save room in this game room, I can take the second piece, move it over here, bring in the upright position, and literally it stores this close to the wall and doesn't take up a lot of room. So great optionality in terms of how you want to lay things out. If you want to play by yourself, if you simply want to store it completely, or if you want to play a real game. Very durable, like I said. It took about an hour to set up. My wife and I did it as a team. I think we had the NFL in the background, so maybe we could have done it quicker if we were actually fully focused, but not too bad. In order to bring this up, you simply just pull up like I am here. I can do this with one hand. And then once this is upright, you can see this latch right here, which is red, locks into place. You cannot pull this down until you actually release the latch. The feet are adjustable, so this is very nice in case you have an unlevel surface. And then the casters at the bottom do have locks on them, so you can set the table actually into place and have it without any type of movement whatsoever. Overall speaking though, extremely satisfied with this product. I just cannot begin to emphasize how superior this table is to others that I've used in the past. You can feel it, you can see it, and when you play on it, you can tell that this is a fantastic product. I've got zero regrets about this purchase. I'm so glad that I did it. My only regret is that I waited so long to purchase this table.